Hello boss, salam alaikum. Me today no come job no coming today. Me water too much road, water too much, water yes, water too much road no job coming today. Yes, today no me job. Water road, water too much me water, road no coming. Gari water stop. Inside water road gari stop. Water me no coming job boss, no coming today. Yes, no cut salary me cut you. No cut salary.
सिंचन में फंसे हुए हैं हम लोग हमारे घर पे हे
हे प्रभु
हे प्रभु
हे हरि राम कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेमानंद ये क्या हुआ गलाव में पानी आ गया
everyday hustle फेरि कसैको नाम हुन्न हैन त्यही त हो everyday hustle फेरि कसैको नाम हुन्न it's like do or die गुडमा कुरा गर्ने हैन big हैन पछि पढ्न सक्छु म तेरो like cid त्यही हो नि त everyday hustle man everyday hustle yo welcome back because I was busy for last week किनभने I'm planning to shift this month अनि यताउति अनि युनिभर्सिटीको पढाइ काम त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ I was busy slightly तर अनि आज चाहिँ मेरो morning video and it's already 9 here हैन but still I couldn't go क्या किन थाहा छ it's fucking raining outside see and it's still dark everywhere dark and brother who are staying with me they are saying like they have been working here for 18-20 years and this is the first time ever they said like you know dinmai raat bhairachha ka aba huncha ni it's so cloudy and it's so raining outside and I was just trying to show you like how the rain goes out here and also even the government they already sent the notified like they already notified us for the 3 days it will be heavy rain and even the weather forecast yeah it's like they already know like what's going on like what will happen next day huncha ni they're so on different zone okay I don't know what to say another Nepal कहिले यस्तो हुन्छ होला तर बाहिरको कुराहरु it's on totally on different thing because they have already known for one more like हुन्छ नि 1 week भन्दा अगाडि नै उनीलाई थाहा छ क्या what's going on next week भनेर अनि for 3 days it will be heavy rain अनि yeah I'm just outside of the grocery and I'm just trying to grab tea and it's raining outside and I couldn't go for my work and what I would say I don't know maybe my manager will be watching this video please sir it's raining it's heavy rain now I'm going back because I already checked with my manager and he said to wait until it will slow down हैन yeah तर अति दामी क्या हुन्छ नि यहाँको गभर्नमेन्ट अनि एभ्रिथिङ लाइक फोरकास्ट they already notified us before a week अनि त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ सजिलो छ सबैजनालाई एटलिस्ट उ भयो नि त सबैलाई थाहा भयो नि त अब within these days within 3-4 days हैन अनि यतिको हेभी रेन हुन्छ भनेर अनि त्यसपछि इभन द थिङ्स इज द बेस्ट थिङ इज हैन त्यो कति they said like it will be for 3 days it will be continue for 3 days हैन let's see when it will get down, because when I go room, I will try to. So, how the things goes. I don't know what time I'll just finish these things. Because I worked early, even I got. आज खासमा ड्युटी नहुनु पर्ने हो कामै जानु मन लागेको छैन यार यो मौसमले गरेर अति हेभी रेन हैन अन्त यस्तो हेभी रेन भइरहेछ नि
My life never see like this. 20 years.
त्यही त भनेको दाइले अघि पनि भन्दै थियो क्या 20 वर्षमा अहिलेसम्म देखेको छैन यस्तो यतिको पानी परेको अनि बाहिर पनि अति क्लाउडी अनि दिउँसो रात Oh, I'm going now. I just get my coffee. अनि अब चाहिँ अलि ओपन भएको छ तर अलि छिटो चाहिँ हान्दैछ तर इट्स ओके बिकज काम पनि जानुपर्छ एन्ड आई जस्ट कान्ट लिभ इट क्या त्यही हुन्छ नि ए आज त ऊ भएको छैन भनेर किनभने म्यानेजरले पनि उ गर्दैन क्या अब हुन्छ नि हे अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड मी होइन वान आई टेक्स्ट हिम पानी परिरहेको छ भनेर मैले म्यासेज गरिरहेको थिएँ अनि सायद जस्ट वेट फर अ वाइल आई वेट आई जस्ट फिनिस माई थिङ्स अल्सो अनि त्यसपछि नाउ आई हेभ टु गो पानी पानी क्या अब हुन्छ इट्स अलमोस्ट लाइक भरिरहेछ क्या माथिसम्म नै It's like a sea now. It's like a beach. अब म चाहिँ बस स्टपमा आइसकेँ अनि त्यसपछि I'll just wait for my boss किनभने I wake up so early अनि त्यसपछि I get dressed, I get shower अनि त्यस्तो लाउँदाखेरि त पानी परिरहेको छ कि बाहिर किनभने रुममा थाहा हुँदैन नि त माथि टप फ्लोरमा अनि त्यही भएर चाहिँ इट्स लाइक नट द टप फ्लोर तर एउटा मिरु अनि त्यही भएर नै त्यो थाहै भएन क्या अनि तल आयो पानी पानी सेट अनि त्यही भएर चाहिँ भइरहेको थियो तर इट्स ओके इट्स 10 नाउ अनि त्यो चाहिँ किनभने आई अलरेडी इन्फर्म द म्यानेजर अनि यी चाहिँ ओके नो इस्युज अनि त्यो चाहिँ आउट गो हाम्रो आउटलेटमा पनि भइरहेछ क्या भन्नाले वाटर लिकेज लेट्स सी बल्ल चाहिँ क्लिन भयो क्या हुन्छ नि क्लिन इन अ सेन्स लाइक इन्भाइरोमेन्ट चाहिँ अब चाहिँ क्लिन भयो क्लियर भइरहेछ अघिमा जस्तो चाहिँ छैन तर पानी चाहिँ माथिसम्म नि भरिरहेछ प्रब्लम चाहिँ यही हो क्या हुन्छ नि पानी परेपछि न पब्लिक बस चल्छ न ट्याक्सी चल्छ केही पनि चल्दैन क्या अनि आई डोन्ट नो हाउ आई विल गो टु माई वर्क क्या आई हेभ बिन वेटिङ फर माई बस तर आएकै होइन क्या अनि त्यसपछि ट्याक्सीहरू पनि केही छैन क्या आई डोन्ट नो हाउ आई विल गो लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई टु फाइन्ड अ ट्याक्सी त्यो भएर म अलिकति अलि माथितिर जाँदैछु लेट्स सी Can I get it or no? सबैतिर पानी पानी छ हैन अनि त्यसपछि how you expect me to cross this shit क्या should I open my shoes and go there कसरी क्रस गर्ने क्या हो हुन्छ नि everywhere water bro like it's filled with water चप्पल लगाएर त आज जानु त मिल्दैन थियो होला काम भयो नि त यार आजको पानीले नाब्जु लग मैले नबुझेको कुरा चाहिँ नि ट्याक्सीहरू चाहिँ किन नचलेको क्या ट्याक्सीहरू रोकिरहेछ होइन अनि त्यसपछि नि if I asked them they said no I don't know go. Let's go from different zone, like different way. Maybe we can get. Hopefully. See, I can see the taxis over there, but like they'll say no. Okay. Let's go there and check with them. I just checked with them. किन भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ त्यो उनीहरूको गाडी ड्यामेज हुन्छ अरे यो पानीमा चलायो भने चाहिँ त्यही भएर नै उनीहरू सबैजनाले कहिले पनि चलाएकै छैन कि जति पनि अहिले बाहिर चलिरहेको छ नि सबै प्राइभेटहरू मात्रै छ तर इट्स फुल अफ वाटर क्या यु क्यान सी इट लाइक इभन इन अ हाइवे इट्स फुल everyone is waiting for the taxi or buses but like it's full. Even in the main highway, it's full. I really have to take off my shoes and go through this underpass.
Hello boss, salam alaikum. Me today no come job no coming today. Me water too much road, water too much, water yes, water too much road no job coming today. Yes, today no me job. Water road, water too much me water, road no coming. Gari water stop. Inside water road gari stop. Water me no coming job boss, no coming today. Yes, no cut salary me cut you. No cut salary.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
मलाई आज अफ डे मात्रै पुग्छ क्या हुन्छ नि I don't want anything. I just want off क्या in this. What the fuck man like बिहान उठेर नुहाएर त्यत्रो मेहनत गरेको त खेरै जाने भयो यार It's all waste of time, yeah. It's all waste of time. I don't know what we'll do today. Man, I want to hit the border, so honey, I will go for work. देखेर मलाई पनि जोस चाहिँ आइरहेछ लेट्स क्रस दिस वान भनेर तर I don't know should I do this or no but let me just put my effort आज काम जाँदा यस्तो भयो Shit, man. Let's do this yeah okay भन्दा अब Let's just try to put some efforts. It's better than nothing. Let's find it out. Like, okay, on all effort that. Okay. Let's go. I want to check off my shoes. Right. Let's go. Jeez. Oh, shit, man. At least I'm trying to put my effort. You know, come to Janu Pore. It's full? Too much? Shit. Oh, fuck. Even underpass is all full, yeah. Underpass may you cannot pass through it, man. Like even I take off my shoes, but I cannot pass through it. Shit. It's full. Can you pass? Yeah, can you pass through this one or like how much the water is? It's just coming from that way, right? Shit. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Brother, how much the water is full? Until here? Too much. I'm already in. Let's find it out. Let's go. See how much the water is. Oi. Shit. Let's go.
पानी है
इंडिया में फंसे हुए हैं हम लोग हमारे घर पे हे
हे प्रभु
हे प्रभु
हे हरिनाम कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेमानंद ये क्या हुआ गलाव में पानी आ गया
And my shoes in my hand. Let's just put some effort. Never imagine like this day will come like Jani. Dubai will be on the floor. The guy on the floor. Shit, that guy is also trying to come. Yeah. Finally, we're on the other side. Let's try to get taxi from that side. Let's see. Water is up to me. I'm on other side. Like everyone is trying to go that side, and the people from that side try to cross here, but like the water is too much. And there is very less chances that I will get taxi from here also. You know, and I can see that. No way. No way. आज त हिँड्दै पुगिन्छ क्या हो यार हिँड्दै पनि पुग्दैन कहिलेकाहीँ हैन It's okay. Sometimes it's okay to walk. अहिले इन्भाइरोमेन्ट चाहिँ कति दामी भइरहेको क्या भन्नाले इट्स कुल अनि त्यो चाहिँ नि क्या क्लियर एन्ड इभन यु क्यान स्मेल द एयर क्या See the water. It's full everywhere. See, सबजना क्रस गर्नु पर्यो भने they have to take off their shoes or they have to be in sandal or slipper. Now I'm in other side. अब and here यहाँको अन्डरपास कस्तो छ किनभने यहाँ पनि एउटा अन्डरपास छ हैन अनि I have to cross that one अनि पारी गएपछि चाहिँ let's see I will get the bus or no because I can see the bus is there but like out of service like no bus is moving pani छ नि त they are also concerned about their vehicles किनभने it's on them if something happened in a sense like they have to repair by themselves maybe I don't know public busहरू पनि चलिरहेको छैन क्या I don't know like they are just making out of service अनि त्यो चाहिँ बस चाहिँ स्टेसनमै छ क्या and everyone is waiting for the taxi किनभने बस चलिरहेको छैन अनि त्यसपछि नि they have to go in a work right so everyone is waiting and even एउटा दुईटा ट्याक्सी चलिरहेछ अनि कसले चाहिँ पाउने क्या कसले चाहिँ पाउने अनि त्यो हेर there is no chances I try to call my manager किनभने यति पानी भइरहेछ what should I do भनेर but he didn't call me back किनभने I'm out of service लेट्स सी उताको अन्डरपास त अति थियो अब यहाँको अन्डरपास चाहिँ कस्तो छ किनभने यहाँको त पानी छैन रहेछ यार एटलिस्ट उता त अति पानी थियो क्या एटलिस्ट यहाँ चाहिँ पानी छैन रहेछ पानी छँदैछ तर त्यस्तो धेरै चाहिँ छैन लेट्स क्रस दिस फर्स्ट अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ आउट वेयर माई सुज यहाँ त पानी छैन एटलिस्ट इट्स क्लिन गाह्रो भयो यार गाह्रो भयो अब यसो पानीले खुट्टा सफा गर्नु बस्नु अनि त्यो पछि अझै पनि बस पाएन भने चाहिँ आजको लागि सलाम वालेकुम आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट त्यही नै भन्नुपर्छ When I upload this video, I'll send this video first to my manager, just to show my effort to come, just to show my effort to come to work. I just get my things done. अब गाडी पाउने भनेको चाहिँ मिनिमम मात्रै चान्स छ अब हिँडेर त काम जान सकिँदैन त्यसैले what I can do is go back. See, there is just one car taxi over there until it's already people there until I see. Let's just wait for a while. Let's just wait. आकाश अझै कालो छ यार तर environment is clean for now. Let's wait. Finally bus start coming in the station हैन तर I'm waiting for my bus. Let's see. I don't know what I would tell to my manager. I'm worrying about him. But I already messaged him. He said wait. But still. I probably should wear glass. But no, it's okay. I'll pass all this. Let's go. Because my boss is coming. Maybe this one. See, no bus is showing any numbers. It's showing only out of service one. Maybe this one. Hopefully. No. It's not in service. You can see the bus, or it's all out of service. Let's check this one because it's not showing the number. Just to know it. Maybe later. Everyone is angry, getting angry because nobody's getting the bus and nobody's getting the taxi. Taxi पाएको भए त ठिक हुन्थ्यो नि ट्याक्सी पनि पाएको होइन क्या अब It's okay sometimes it's happen अझ भोलि पर्सि 3 दिन अझै भोलि पर्सि पनि बाँकी छ यार कुनै कुनै चाहिँ बसहरू आइरहेको छ तर मेरो सब चाहिँ पछाडि छ आई क्यान सी वान बस देयर सिग्नल तर त्यो हो कि होइन हसल छ एभ्रिडे हसल होइन आइम स्टिल वेटिङ अनि त्यही भएर अझै गाडीहरू पनि आएको छैन एभ्रिडे हसल फेरि कसैको नाम हुन्न होइन त्यही त हो एभ्रिडे हसल फेरि कसैको नाम हुन्न इट्स लाइक डु अर डिआइई खुदमा कुरा गर्ने होइन बिआइजी होइन पछि पढ्न सक्छु म तेरो लाइक सिआइडी त्यही हो नि त एभ्रिडे हसल म्यान एभ्रिडे हसल गर फेरि नाम हुन्न इट्स लाइक डु अर डिआइई खुदमा कुरा गर्ने होइन बिआइजी न हुन्छ नि त्यो मेबी वी स्टे लो कि तर त्यसको मतलब यो होइन कि विल जस्ट टोलरेट द सिट क्या न फेरि हिसाब किताब सब राख्छ क्या सरल हुन्छ नि इज एन एभ्रिथिङ म्यान द्याट्स रिलेसन राइट द्याट्स रिलेसन हु केयर्स यु गाह्रो किप इट लाइक त्यो हुन्छ नि हिसाब किताब क्या आज भोलि कुरा हुन्छ यता इङ याङदेखि सिधै लेनदेन क्या हुन्छ नि इङ याङको पनि कुरा हुन्छ लेनदेनको पनि कुरा हुन्छ क्या त्यही हो आम ट्राइन राइट I'll be keep on writing until the day in क्या day in is like the day I'll not leave क्या हुन्छ नि until the day in you understand what I mean to say त्यही हो बुझ्दैन क्या मान्छेले
Long angry line later.
waiting for so long I can see my bus here right here now but it's not stopping that shit पुरै खाली छ क्या तर it's not stopping bro like even we are not getting taxi and even the bus is not stopping and they stop see how much people here in lineup everyone is in lineup man and even you can see just few taxis running over on the highway so and how you expect us to come in and work like this man I'm not complaining but like I'm just saying to say it you can see lots of people standing on the line they are also waiting for the bus or taxi whatever's come after 2 hours of waiting I just get a taxi and there's a Chevrolet set back and we're just heading yes sir and we're heading back to our store and this guy also said like nobody want to ride now and nobody wanted to damage their vehicles like I literally wait for 2 hours and it's already 12 and I was there waiting from 10. Yo, I just finished my work. I'm going home. It's already 10:30. I'm outside of my building. It was so busy. And it was like a hectic things. And I'm real tired. Although I think I'll just end my vlog here. If you have watched till now, please hit the subscribe button and throw some comments. हैन त्यही हो अनि सधैँ माया हैन सबैलाई सधैँ माया क्या सबैलाई सधैँ माया यो see you on next video.